everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Shilpa and there is a series going on my YouTube channel if you want to be fluent. So I would like to tell you, don't miss the series how to speak fluently and confidently. Go and watch. There I mentioned something that helped me a lot to improve my fluency in my case. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk about the thing that helped me a lot to improve my fluency, to improve my communication skills. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this video I'm going to talk about the two things that helped me a lot to improve my English, to improve my communication skills, to improve my fluency as well. Now the first I would like to ask a question. Do you like listening to song in English? If I talk about the song, yes. Listening the song and singing the song, you can be fluent. Yes, don't shock. You can be fluent by listening the song, by singing the song. But the thing is how? Let me tell you. First we will talk about the music. Music is everywhere. Got it? It can make you feel many emotions and bring you happiness, energy or calm. It can reduce anxiety, depression. As you know that it can reduce your anxiety or your depression, and it can inspire you and capture your imaginations. So music is everything. That after listening the music, you can enjoy the way, enjoy the sound, you can enjoy the rhythm, you can enjoy the lyrics, you can enjoy everything by listening the song, and you can be fluent as well. In this video I'm going to talk about something that will help you to improve your fluency communication skills by listening the song. If you are the one who want to improve your fluency, who want to improve your English by listening the song, by singing the song, I would like to suggest you choose according to you. It's up to you which type of song do you like. It can be any song at all, and a song that like you have learned so many times. You have learned so many times before. You need to choose that song that make you feel ecstatic, that make you feel enjoyable, that can improve your fluency as well. If you are interested to listen the song, then definitely it will help you to improve your fluency. The second tips I would like to say, first I would like to ask a question that do you understand all the lyrics? If you are listening the song with the subtitles, make sure that do you understand every single word? Probably not, because in the beginning, if you are listening the song with the subtitles, you also cannot understand every single word. So make sure whenever you are listening the song, that should be with the subtitles, and you can easily sing with the subtitle with the accurate, appropriate word. While listening the song, make sure that you are listening with the subtitles. If you are listening and reading with the subtitles, that can help you to improve your English as well. And don't forget that you are listening the song just because of learning the English, not just for enjoying. And whatever the new word come across while listening the song, while reading the song, don't forget to make a note of it, because new word help you to improve your fluency, to improve your communication skill as well. This time you are listening the song, you are enjoying the song, and you are improving your English simultaneously. But don't forget why you are listening the song. You are listening the song just because of learning English, and that is the most important part to learn the English. That while listening the song, don't forget that you are learning English language. While learning English language, while reading, while singing a song, you need to focus their pronunciation, how they are pronounced the new word but you don't know how to pronounce. So please focus on the pronunciation. That can help you to improve your pronunciation as well. So in brief, I would like to say, choose your favorite song, sing a song with the subtitles, and whenever the new word come across, please don't forget to make a note of it. Okay, and immediately don't look up in the dictionary. After listening several times the song, you need to find out the new word meaning and try to use the new word in your own sentence. Try to make your own sentence using the new words. So whatever type of music you are into, you are listening, learning English with song will help you to improve your speaking and listening skill, vocabulary and pronunciation skills. Singing a song help you to improve your communication skill, vocabulary, speaking skills, listening skills and many more. So don't forget to sing a song in English. That will help you to improve your English. Now move on. The major next point is very important, that helped me a lot to improve my communication skills, to improve my English as well. Now I am going to talk about the interviews. Learning English through listening the interviews with the famous people is an engaging and effective way to improve your language skills. And that helped me a lot to improve my English in my case. Here I would like to say that start by selecting interviews with the famous person whom interests you. Whether it's musician, politicians, actors, scientists, it can be anyone. Having a genuine topic with the interview will keep you motivated to learn English language. And here I would like to add one more thing, that there are numerous platforms where you can find it famous interview according to you, whether it could be anyone. Here you need to find the right level, select the right level, choose interviews that match your language proficiency level. Look for interviews where the speaker are speaking carefully, clearly at the right pace. They are not speaking very quickly, and where they are not speaking very slowly. You need to select the right level. Okay, and then I would like to say, whenever you are listening the person, whenever you are listening the interviews, try to listen very carefully how they are asking the question and how your favorite person replying, answering. Got it? Now here you need to focus one more thing, how they are making their sentence in a different ways, in a very smart ways. And here you need to focus their pronunciation as well, how they are pronouncing their word, their new word. Okay, first you need to focus your pace, then you need to focus which word they are using in their interviews. That can help you to improve your vocabulary as well. So please keep, I would like to say, focus their pronunciation, which type of word they are using in which situation. You need to focus that much and try to use the same word in your own sentence. Try to make your own sentence using the new word. Whatever you have listened there, try to mimic if you can. If you are interested to mimicry, if you are interested to imitate the sentence. If you are not interested imitate the sentence, then you can make your own sentence at the same time. or after some time. But make sure that whatever you are listening and whatever the new word come across in that situation, in that time, you need to make a note of it, and after some time or simultaneously you can make your own sentence that can be stuck in your mind. And I would like to tell about myself that remember I used to listen many celebrities interviews that helped me a lot to improve my fluency, to improve my English language. And I would like to tell you that I used to focus that how they are structuring the sentence, how they are making the sentence using the new word. That helped me a lot to make my own words. That helped me a lot to make a sentence. So yes, I would like to say that listening interviews with the famous person helped me a lot to improve my English. And I would suggest you that if the interview helped me a lot to improve my fluency, to improve my English language, that will help you a lot also. But now after completing the interviews, you need to analyze which type of question are being asked with that person and how they are answering. The way they are answering, you need to observe, you need to consume the way they are answering. That will help you to improve your fluency, that will help you to improve your communication skills as well. So here I would say consistency is the key that can help you to improve, to achieve your own goal. Don't lose your consistency. This is the crucial part of during this journey. Okay, during this journey you need to be positive, and during this journey make sure that you are disciplined person. So here I would like to say, don't lose your consistency. Consistency is the key that can help you to achieve anything. Here one more thing I would like to say, that is the most important thing. You need to remember in your mind every day, if you are serious with your goal, if you are serious to learn this language, the thing is patience and persistence. Learning a language takes a lot of time. It's not a overnight challenge. You need to focus too much to learn this language. Okay, be patient with yourself and don't lose your hope. You will be definitely fluent. Just you need to focus on yourself. You need to work on yourself. Believe in yourself. Trust yourself. Don't lose your hope. Learning English through the famous interviews is an enjoyable and practical way to enhance your fluency, to enhance your language skills. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I would like to suggest you please adopt my advice, what I have suggested you. This will help you to improve your communication skill. This will help you to improve your language. Last, I would like to say that this is the language, not a subject. Will take time to improve your fluency, to improve the communication skill, to improve the language skills. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you liked it. So I'll see you in the next video. Please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.